Would you like to know what the best paid work from home jobs are, and start to make money online from these remote jobs right away? Then keep watching. It's time to level up.
If this particular idea isn't something you think you'd be interested in, you should watch it anyway, as you might be pleasantly surprised. And during the video, you may think of someone you can share this with, who may still benefit from it. However, even if neither of these things happen during this episode, don't despair. Because near the end, we'll clue you in on how you can benefit from an even more lucrative path, for those of you who'd prefer to level up like a boss. Series 2, Episode 6. Data Entry Clerk. Earning Potential. $15 to $30 plus an hour. Data entry clerks are required to input words, letters, numbers, and/or symbols into an online system. It might not sound all that fun, but it's an online job that can be quite rewarding. Plus, you complete this remote work whenever it suits your schedule. To get ahead in the role, improve your skills in programs such as Microsoft Office, OpenOffice, and Google Docs. Entering information into a database or document system is not exactly glamorous, but if you're looking for a simple, reliable remote job, part-time or full-time, then look no further. Some data entry clerk roles may involve data cleansing, which is the process of removing invalid or inaccurate data from a database, but some roles in this field are more complicated. Medical coding is a type of data entry that requires you to translate medical information into certain alphanumeric codes used in medical databases. Obviously, these jobs require special knowledge. All you need to get entry-level work is a computer and a common program like the ones already mentioned. Simple data entry jobs pay decent rates and can be done when your schedule allows. Data entry clerks take information from a spreadsheet, printed document, order form, or other source, and input it into another, usually a digital database, computer program, or spreadsheet. You might also be responsible for verifying information within this remote job. For example, a financial accounts processing company may need data entry clerks to manually input or verify invoices or other bills for outside clients. Many companies will hire data entry clerks or keyers with basic school qualifications and no work experience on a full-time, part-time, or freelance basis. You will, however, need fast typing skills, a basic understanding of databases, a good command of English, and great attention to detail, at the very least. Since much of the data and information that companies now process is digital, this has become a common work-from-home job. Some positions will be within a specific country, but many are worldwide. Often, data entry doesn't need to be done during business hours, so it can be ideal for those looking for flexible hours. Starting with this role, it's also possible to work your way up to a data analyst position, which pays significantly higher, with an average salary of $71,000. Just some food for thought. Find data entry clerk jobs on sites such as Indeed and Glassdoor. Good hunting!
Thanks for watching. You'll find links in the description to the things we've mentioned, and we've also shared a link to an insider secret strategy that can make you even more money for a fraction of the effort. We share life-changing videos like these each and every week. Don't be a dummy, subscribe so you don't miss out.